Welcome back. You're now looking at a copy of a similar campaign. And basically, if we scroll down to the area where you can share your campaign link, one of the things you're going to see is that you can add any post to your social campaign. Now, what you're going to need to do is to make sure you're logged into your Facebook account, your Twitter account, and your Instagram account, and then you're going to connect them to your Mailchimp account. Now, these accounts are already connected, and so once you've connected them to your Mailchimp account, all you'll need to do is to turn them on for an individual campaign. So, for example, if we were to click this link, you'll see here that our Facebook account is now connected, and so we can choose a specific page that this post will be shared with when we hit the publish button. Once we do that, we'll then click Save. We can then click on Twitter. And then we have our message. We'll then click Save. We can then click on Instagram. Once we turn on Instagram, we'll turn on a specific profile. We'll then click Save. And then our post will go directly to our Instagram account, our Twitter account, as well as our Facebook account when we schedule or send the message. You'll also notice there are some additional settings. You'll need to work with these to determine which ones you are going to want to have for each individual campaign. Now you'll notice that these are already turned on. Typically, these will be turned off by default. So we're going to turn them off again. Now, one thing to note is that you'll notice that Google Analytics link tracking is not available, and that's mainly because Google Analytics was not enabled with this account. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click Save. What we can now do is click the Schedule button. We can now schedule this for a specific date and a specific time. And our campaign is now scheduled. Now we could go back to that same campaign, and basically what we can do is we can pause and edit that campaign. We'll click pause, and instead of scheduling the campaign, we can send that campaign right now so that it becomes a broadcast email as well as being posted to our social media. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.